In this session, I would like to explain how to create groups and add members in Azure Active Directory. First, why we had to create the groups. That is to identify employees in the organization. We had to create the groups. That is, the employee may belongs to developer groups, or the employee may belongs to the admin group, etc. But that to identify the employees, we had to create the groups. And also, if the new employees joined in the organization, that employee may add which group. But that we had to create the groups. Azure is providing two types of groups. One is a security group. Second one is a Microsoft 365 group. Using security group, which is used to manage member and computer access to shared resources for a group of users. For example, you can create a security group for specific security policy. We had to create security group. Using this Microsoft Office 365, it provides collaboration opportunities to outside of the members. And also, Azure is providing three types of memberships are providing. Three types of memberships. That is, one is assigned, second one is dynamic usage, and third one is dynamic device. Here, using assigned membership, you can add specific users to be members of the particular group, and to have the unique permissions, we had to use assigned membership. Using this dynamic membership, dynamic users, we can automatically add or remove members. That is by writing JSON code. Dynamic membership rules, we can write the code. Using these dynamic devices, using this also automatically add and remove devices. That is by writing the JSON code. Here, these two memberships are worked in the premium license is required in Azure. Right. Now, in this session, how we had to create groups and how we had to add members in Azure Active Directory, that we'll see with hands-on. For that, I open my Azure account. To create groups, on search box, we have to type it Azure Active Directory. This we can click on this. On left side, to create the groups option is there. Click on that. Now, at the top, new group option is there. Click on this. Here, see the group type it is providing. In theory, I explained that there are two types of groups is supporting. One is security, second one is Microsoft 365. See that security and Microsoft 365. That is, using security group, you had to manage member and computer access to shared resources for a group of users. That's why I am using the group type is security I am using. The group name I'm using as CSC. If you want to give the group description also, we can give it. I am given as computer science and engineering. I am given the group. Here, the membership type, Azure is supporting three types of membership: assigned, dynamic users, and dynamic devices. These two are provided for premium licensed members only. That's why it is not enabled here in my Azure account. If you want to give the owners, you can also give it. If you want to add members, you can also add the members. Just I'm creating the group. Click on create option. That is successfully created. Now see that in Azure Active Directory, groups, the CSC group is created. Click on this. Here, see that I'm not given the owners and I am not adding users right now. Now, if you want to give owner of this group, at the left side, click on this one. That is add owners option is there. Here you can click on your root account, or you may, if you want to give anyone owner, then you can select that user and click on select. Now we can check it on the groups. In the CSC group, that is one owner is there. Now, if you want to add members on the group, for that in Azure Active Directory, first how many users are there? Click on that. Only one user is there. That's the root user. Now, if you want to create the users, at the top, new user is there. Click on create new user. Here I am given the username is user1. Here display name is user1 I am given. And the password I am given as I entered, and click on review plus create. Okay, click on create. Similarly, I want to add one more user. Click on new user, create new user, user2, display name is user2, and I'm given the password for this user. Okay, click on review plus create, click on create. That is two users am created. Now I want to add these two users to CSC group. For that, you can click on groups. You can click on your group. If you want to add members, at the left side, members option is there. Click on that. At the top, add members are there. Now, here we have to choose users. I want to add these two users to the CSC group. Click on these two users, select it. That is, two users, two members are added to the group. Now see that, check it in the groups, CSC. How many members are there? Two members are there. If you want to know those details, click on the members. Two members are there. If you want to add one more user, just first I am creating the user. Users, click on create new user, user3, display name is user3, and password is auto generate. Click on review plus create. Click on create. That is, I created the user3. Now I want to add the user3 to CSC group. Click on groups. If you want to add member, at the left side members option is there. Click on that. At top, add members are there. Here we can choose users. Which user you want to add your group? That is this user. Select it. That is, the user3 is added to CSC group. See that? User3 is added to CSC group. If you want to remove particular user to the group, then we can select the group. Remove option is there. Click on yes. The particular user is removed from the group only, not from the users. See that on users, user 3 is there. User 3 is there. It is removed from group only. That is from CSC group only, it is removed. So on CSC group, the user 3 is removed. If you want to add members, just on the top, add members option is there. And here we have to select users. We can select the particular user, click on select option. The particular user is added to the group, right? Those are the steps we had to follow, how we had to create the groups, how we had to add members in the group. If you want to delete the group, go to the Azure Active Directory, groups, select this group, and here delete option is there. Click on delete, right? That group is deleted, not the users. See that on users. The users are not deleted. Only we are deleting the groups, right? Those are the steps we had to follow, how we had to create groups and add members in Azure Active Directory. Okay, thank you.